America result big powers edo tibali suppose kusima president byaba abakoleire bali suppose kuongera kola ki kubanda kumusaba kuba yeye waya abe president na atukulira singa wifu mwami arakobye yebikado singa ebikado babigwire bay ifo tukwende bay yebikade nini ayi amageze bay yebikade nini singa abana bakoye banonti poverty levels mu Uganda the highest mu Karamoja 85% of the people in Karamoja are very poor. We are supposed to demand for that.
So you are subiringa ku national event ya Bakaramoja beide bogere abasoga balete byebikando babyogere nga musoni ali ulirisa
butiba mu babatono kwa yati urban places abantu bali bulungiku ayenga rural places ne ekamudi yokobyeyo abantu bali bubi boye ndozuranga abantu bali bubi jamu madwali roboni ngati basona gula lupapula lwa kuandika ku omusawo bakatabo bagula butabu a government cannot even buy accessible papers. They cannot buy papers. Aizene uniza walenge sente mu budget finance bill nga sente dali suppose kuwe baroko tidi roko yona company ya Uganda roko company nga badikyusiza badiza kugula ambulance ayi ngobulezi mudwale zira you want to buy ambulances batwala abantu mudwale nga ebulezi bukolaki buzira yo ebintu ndu tugera ku mukolo n'ogwo tikwebaza
nenda kuchuka mu kwa katono I think National Medical Store neri mandated okugaba edagala mu idwaliro and its budget has always been okay. Actually problems ensula company National Medical Store baba zimbira no office edinde kajansene neino edagala linch but because of the syndicated corruption within us Balwori is distributing byaba mu store emyaka ebiri
kagenderere
baidaba distributing angali bulako emyezi 3 ayenga allowance orisi allowance omugdigi gwa allowance na operational costs did over 70% of the cost of the drugs
so no nya sente docha
olifuna nisechendira muninko banti system ya ife yona yetaga to be checked eranze I disagree with some people on some things. President wa avayo na appointing for instance omuntu aje tuchekingira URA abantu bali ko bati muibi na agemo muibi however omuibi we bam convicting ati and bali mukomera I've not read that thing very well. I know bayaja kwa appeal yakola ki so the issue is idagala limala even they send operational funds however bana abakulu aba bawale badikoze sabindi mpegano because if tuzira information yo bulungi yona baradisi tibali kutuyambaji tukobera tuvayo nga tuvuma government
mpegano
mwefulabagezi mwaro
Morgan baile onamazi yandira kusera mwange Morgan abami bano
kamalirize submission ya muzika
kwenda kweno
abami bano naninzize na kwendi ni Morgan nga kwena kwoli obulezi bwo kolesa n'abaana bo ni mukyala tobutola mu government oje wabugula bugule. What does that mean? Obulezi tubumala. Most people, we don't go to government hospitals. We just buy. Ayinga to suppose okuwebwa. So naba no buzibu bwa operation bachi. Obakulongosa kidaba expensive which means a sente desire demala. Okay, iriyo biba iriyo okugaba. But does not rule out the fact that tibimala. A sente tono. Look at the education ya primary. UP over sentiment. You will go mbogera mu abana. You mean you have just known into corruption in education area? It has been there to chogera kwa. Tibana nikwati bana sente na sente dino nganto not the man.
Kuchogera kuchikukolera. Omuntu mbu yachogeireko.
Ochacho nti president
7 butyabo ino wano wali wenguzi. Wali abo ino.
Achogera ku tuwe tuchidi. Ji yakachitege ayi abaira chidi.
Oyo musada mugezi.
Yabaira bibi.
Ayo bayongolede ni amaze plan.
Mwe baleno mamirufa fe baleno mami nabakanje bitwa mamikanusu. Abenga yena atwanukula kwibuze byenda. Mamikanusu gaps diriwa mu service delivery. Lwachi abantu ba insisting anti waliwo gaps mu service delivery. Oli ara DC atenga imwe muri kumwando okulondola empereza da government.
Nenda kati enzimbe nunjo jikopere wa mwino. Era byandi kuleta mbitola mu emotions nasigala kumulama kubanga mukuru wangu musomesa lufa patandikire ku emotions yatukana okubati fe tutulowooza batulowokeza abo batukobera necho okwogera ayi musomesa
Akwa example ya Rwanda.
Is that research no comment respondents who have new respondent mulala wa kuba.
Yeah, that you know
sampling
mulala. Oyena kukula nga NRM 7 watu lowokeza.
Joka. Munasasa. Okay. Ensonga endala jenendo kuigumiza kuwano. Nti ebidanga bikolebwa government. Nenda ndogera ino ngantiro kuwa comparison ni jendi. Because for us we are bad off. Aikaiwe tukogera nga wantu wefula abageze ino abasoga. Abali side and I'm telling the truth. We are bad off. Aikaiwe twefula kwogera no kusibataye nacho okati abasoga bageze muna bali abateme banje. Ainga generally abantu baife bali buchi bobi. Nenda kukobera nti Western jendi embalala. Actually it is another addition to my knowledge. Ni research wangu ndiko lali academic. Mkoze ino kweyo. Era nga ntanimbirozo byange ntimvawa ebusoga ali buchi bulungi. Embalala yagana n'omuntu oyagala otambula ku kyalo wategera nti abo bali bulungi. Walingira income waiver. Walingira nga n'olusuku lw'amatooke ge wayinuma w'enumba ye. Kayimba kali mu lusuku era mu lusozi wakalengera n'emotooke wabona n'olusuku nga lwetolweire wabona ne kafa mu kente nga kali wali. Wategera ni sure deal ono muntu ono mumbere do mchalera wali asobola okutunda litedda amatama 200 asobola okutunda ya matooke enkota 10 every week at least eyaba source of income ife wano ewa ife busoga oyinza okutambula ku kyalo kino webuza nkine kyalo kibaawo kitya bayon ngalukuno nyana amaisogo nti ono ayi twemerere tutya abantu baife basurvivinze batya bano tiba hero bobona kunabo bosobola categorizinga kunti over certain nti bolinjirira makote geranti yes awaliwo kwa kandu abasinga nawo bona misiri jabi kadu nga mirufu akobona eri yakwatinze ni ekadanga asatu dango ndibona dirichi what guarantee yoyo na irazirante na irazira lusukulwa amatoke what guarantee bwatunda ebikado byasobola ogula emmere asobola ogula rice ya stocking asobola okulima ebidandali ya stocking n'abaana baba ne school fees ebyo no wife abasingo bungi maka gasingo bungi webuze how abantu baife ba surviving abatya nje president yakubati bakoda kida chonga era ni woli kukola olikola wa okusupplying ekida nebyo tunne tokongera okola ki okwetereza mu twali wano omukozi gule myaka gibisewo nga 15 mwami Kizige ni former vice president Kazibwe spe doctor by insisting abantu twenda mbusoga tube ku ni zoning abantu babe visible babe kuni kibali kukola nga kiri visible okibona era nga kijja mu transaction either mu family omuntu wakola ki wafuna ekyokubaawo kitwiza ku service delivery yoli kwogera ku service delivery begins with you. How do you service yourself as an individual? Do you have what to eat? Do you have where to sleep? Bolwala can you osobola kutegera nti kanje wale neidanda bye oide bantu bameka bali kulwadira mayumba nga erino lya muluma yazimba oluba nga kujja mu idwaliro tali kuvani wali akati nzira
yali tonya ku spirit
ya